whatever is. So we have to make sure.
But I think you're right but the ball for sure that big pool they have many ball pile.
Yeah, so it's the foundation holds in position
Yeah,
too.
and the house also for sure. All main foundation is ball pile.
Progress check for the retaining wall in the river with Kori Dewata Karya, and we have Mr. Kojong in the front leading the project today, and let's take a look the progress. So yesterday our owner said that we have to clean up the garbage or the plastic that we find on the riverside. The team from Kori Dewata Karya is working hard to collect all the trash and put them together on the bag to clean up the side. You can see the soil here is mixed with the sand. In the river usually like that, they have a black sand together with all the soil. After the excavator dig everything, big machine for the big project. Exciting. It's a lot of work here to get the river clean. So many garbage. As you can see also the river, so many bubbles. That's mean the river is not clean. I hope after the project the river can be clean, because this is gonna be the view of the property itself. You can see all the big tree there. That's a beautiful view, and this river needs to be clean so it can maximize the view that they have here. I say the field team is here and they set up the material to the side. Yeah. Checking the project today is with Pak Layan for the retaining wall of Cepaka, and we have the worker on the back, our supervisor Mr. Kojong, and we're going back to the studio to have some tofu. Tahu. Let's go. Today we are checking the land in Cepaka for the retaining wall. So there's been a problem because it's rained from the morning. This is already like like 3 o'clock afternoon. We can see the water everywhere is flooding to the place where we're gonna do the foundation. We're gonna sheet together. Yeah. All the soil that has been dig filled to the hole that we have been digging.
Everyone, today we are at Cepaka village, at the river side of Cepaka. So behind me is we did the retaining wall project right now. So this is the biggest since we have do the construction in 10 years. Kori Dewata Karya. So this is the biggest retaining wall that we did, and because they have it's very like 3 meter wide of foundation and then 7 meter high, and also the construction is very strong because they have a double concrete beam, and the length is around 115 meter. So we have a challenges for when we build this during the construction since like 2 months ago when we started. In the beginning, in the last couple weeks, we have a rain, so that's a bit like a challenge for us to build the retaining wall because the water is flooding from the river, so it's a bit difficult for that one. But for now, we already safe because the retaining wall already 3 meter, like half already built. But we have, for sure, we need a lot of material for the stone, for the sand, like the other material. So the interesting is like a little bit like, because our access is the big truck cannot bring the loading right to the project, but so we have to use like a small truck from the big trucks loading to the small truck to bring the material. But all is sorted, we can handle of that one. And we'd like to tell you about also for the project is, the owner is Daniel and Monica. They are expert from Australia and Norway. So the land is around 35 area, and this is quite interesting. It's like hidden spot in Cepaka. because they are like in the middle of the village, a little bit away from the main road. And interesting is they have a very nice view with the rice field and the jungle view. And there's also like a very interesting two big trees on the right hand side and the left hand side. And they have also two temples. The trees is like boys and girls. So it's very interesting. And they have a nice river with a big stone on the river side. So it's gonna be like a very massive, big villa project, I think. So hopefully we got that project also. But it's still long way to go, but still in process for that. So probably in a month we would like to finish the retaining wall first, and then we'll see the next one. Thank you guys.
Because the idea was, right, originally,
From there.
you know, we've got this whole setup where, you know, we're trying to put the house up here and be able to see down the river. And that's why Sylvia originally had the elbow here. But this was, I just thought the problem was going to be erosion. And then up at the top, we don't need much, you know. Because we don't want to look at a big gate, you know. Like if we look from here, on this design, up the top, there would be like something.
Big water. When the big transition, the water will
Come up on the stairs and then
Come
go.
up on the stairs.
That's okay. So my suggestion was, if you don't like these stairs on the side going up there, we could, for example, from here, we could have the stairs cutting up through here and land up there somewhere.
Okay guys, thank you for watching our channel. Our project for the first part 1 for the retaining wall. Kori Dewata Karya, support by Gauri. So keep watching our YouTube channel Gauri Art Division, and see you for the next part of the other projects.